Hi students, now I am going to the exercise 11.3. In this exercise, the question 1 is given that make up as many expressions with number, that means no variables, as you can from three numbers 5, 7 and 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Use only addition, subtraction and multiplication. So here are the three numbers are given and question is saying that we have to make the expressions using the addition, subtraction and multiplications only, and here the foundation is that we can use any digit, whatever the three digits are given, we can use any digit only once a time. So here some expressions are given in the question already. So they are used 5 plus in bracket 8 minus 7, so plus and minus are used. Here 5 minus 8 minus 7, so minus are used. Here multiplied 5 multiplied 8, so multiplication is used. So similarly we can make more expressions. 8 minus 7 minus 5, 8 plus 7 minus 5, 8 into 7 minus 5, etc. So we can make too many expressions more. Now going to the question number 2. In the question number 2, question asking that which out of the following are expressions with numbers only. So here we have to find out the expressions that are only made up of the numbers only. So here y plus 3 is given. So here number is given but also the variable is given. In the B part, here the 7 into 20 are numbers, 8 numbers, but z is given, that is variable is given. So this is not according to the question. Now going to the C, here 5 in bracket 21 minus 7 plus 7 into 2. So this is the expression with numbers only, part C. And next the part D is also shown, that in D there is only 5 is given. This is also the only with numbers, the expression with numbers only. And in the E part there is 3x, so x is given, here n is given and here p is given. So the answer, final answer will be the C and D. There the two parts are given that are expressions with number only. Now going to the question number 3. In the question number 3, question saying that identify the operations. Here we have to only identify the operations, that mean addition, subtraction, division or multiplication in forming the following expressions, and tell how the expressions have been formed. So simply here we have to only tell that what are the operations are here. So I am taking the first part. Here in first part there are the 4 operations are given and we have to tell what the operations are given. So here z plus 1, that means simply they are added, that means we can say that addition, they are addition. Now in the second part there is subtraction is given, z minus 1 means subtraction, so that means it is subtraction of subtraction. Next y plus 17, again addition, so we will write down addition. In the next one y minus 17, this is given subtraction, so we will write down subtraction. Same thing we have to write down that what the operation we are using. In first their addition is going on, in the second their subtraction, in the third their again addition, in the fourth again subtraction. Now we are going to the part B. Here in part B, firstly we are taking this part 17y. So how we are getting the 17y? 17y means 17 multiplied with y. That means here what is going on? Multiplication. We will write down multiplication. So here multiplication is going on. In y by 17, the second part is given. So y upon 17, here the y is divided by 17. Y is divided by 17. So what we will write down? Division. Here division is going on. In the next third part, 5 into z. So here we are watching that 5 into z is written. So what going on? Multiplication. Again we will write down multiplication. So we are getting that whatever the going on here, We are getting clearly. Same thing we have to do in the next parts. We have to write down only the name of the operation what is going on. Now guys, I'm going to the question number 4. In this question number 4, question saying that give the expressions for the following cases. So here some cases are given and we have to write down using these statements, we have to write down the expression. In the first part, question is saying that 7 added to P. 7 added to P means we have to find out the sum of both. So P plus 7, because 7 added to P. So first we will write down P, then we will add 7. Now in B part, question is saying that 7 subtracted from P. So first we will write down P and then we will subtract 7. So this will be the expression. Now going to the C part. Here P multiplied by 7. So as question is saying that P multiplied by 7. So in this case, whenever we are going to multiply any number with any variable, so always we are putting the number first, then we are writing the variable. That means in this line, like in this, we are not going to write this P7. This is not looks like. For the mathematics, it is not clear. So we are writing like this 7P, not P7. We will write down 7P. Always we have to write down the number first, then we have to write down the variable. Now going to the D part. Here question is saying that P divided by 7. That means P is divided by 7. Now going to the E. 7 subtracted from minus n. So first we will write down the minus n. Then we are going to subtract my 7. So for subtraction we will use the minus sign. So here answer will be the minus m minus 7. Now we are going to the F part. Here F question is asking that minus P multiplied by 5. So minus P is going to multiply by 5. So answer will be again we are going to write down the number first, and as here minus is given, so first we will place the minus, then we will write down the number, then we will write down the variable. So answer will be the minus 5P. Now going to the G part. Here minus P is divided by 5. So simply we will write down the minus P as it is and divided by 5. So this will be the expression. Now question is saying that P multiplied by minus 5. So we will write down P multiplied by minus 5. Okay, because here two signs are given, so that's why we are using the bracket. And now again minus we will write down first, then we will write down the number, then we will write down the variable. So answer will be the minus 5P. Now I am going to the next question, going to write down on the board. So here question number 5, again the same question. Give expressions in the following cases. As in the first part, question is saying that 11 added to, that means here 11 added to 2m. So that simply we will write down 2m plus 11. In the B part, the question same thing is asking that 11 subtracted from 2m. 11 subtracted from 2m. So we will write down 2m first, then we will subtract 11. That is 11 subtracted from 2m. 11 subtracted from 2m. In the C part, question is saying 5 times y to which 3 is added. So what we have to do? Question is saying that 5 times y, then y 5 times. So 5 times of y, and here question is saying that to which 3 is added. So to which 3 is added. So expression will be the 5y plus 3. Now going to the D part. In the D part, question is saying that 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted. So first we will write down 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted. So expression will be the 5 times y minus 3. That means 5 y minus 3. Now going to the E part. In the E part, question is asking that y is multiplied by minus 8. Y is multiplied by minus 8 means y multiplied by minus 8. So what will be the answer? Again we will use the same pattern. Minus first, then we are going to write down the number, then we will write down variable. So this will be the answer. Now going to the F part. In the F part, what question is saying? In the F part, question is saying that y is multiplied by minus 8. Y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result. Then 5 is added to the result. So what will be? It becomes minus 8y and then 5 is added. So this will be the final expression. Now going to the G part. In the G part, what question is saying that? Question is saying that y is multiplied by 5. So we have to multiply y with the 5. And now question is saying that and the result is subtracted from 16. The result, whatever we are getting the result, that is subtracted from 16. So what will be the, here the expression will be the little bit different. From 16 minus this result is going to subtracted from 16. That means y into 5. So expression will be the 16 minus y into 5. That means 16 minus 5y. This will be the answer. Now going to the next part. Here in the H part, y is multiplied by minus 5. Y multiplied by minus 5. H part and the result is added to 16. Whatever the result, that is added to 16. So here answer will be the minus 5y plus 16. Clear? Now going to the question number 6. Form the expressions using t and 4. Use not more than one number. Use not more than one number operation. Every expression must have t in it. That means here we are going to make the some expressions using the t and 4. Use not more than one number. That means हमें एक नंबर से ज़्यादा यूज नहीं करना है. And every expression must have t in it. और हर expression में t होना चाहिए. So same thing we have done in the previous question, like the where we are making the expressions in the question number 1. There the 3 digits are given. Now here digit, that means the number and the variable, both things are given. So you have to do this question by yourself. There is nothing special. Have a good day.